This numerical of wave optics, and it says that the Young's double slit experiment using monochromatic light of wavelength lambda, the intensity of light at a point on the screen where path difference is lambda is k units, right? So path difference delta x is given as lambda, but path difference itself is nothing but it is lambda upon 2 pi into phase difference. So if I substitute the value of delta x is equal to lambda, so lambda is equal to lambda upon 2 pi into phi, or should I say phi is equal to 2 pi radians over here, right? So phase difference in this case is 2 pi radians over here case. So here in first case, what do we have? The resultant intensity formula we already have is 2I into 1 plus cos phi. We know if we have two slits with same intensity, same amplitude, then the resultant intensity formula is given by this. And if I substitute over here, and this is equal to k, so this is nothing but 2I into 1 plus cos 2 pi is equal to k. So it is 2I into 1 plus 1 is equal to k, or 4I is equal to k, right? So what do I get? I is equal to k by 4. I can say this is equation number 1. Now intensity of the light when the path differences change. So where path difference is lambda by 3, what is the intensity of light? Obviously intensity is going to be changed because path difference has changed, so phase difference has changed, so interference is also going to change. So in case 2, given delta x is equal to lambda by 3, right? So let's find out what is the phase difference over here. We know that delta x is nothing but lambda upon 2 pi into phase difference, that is equal to delta x, that is lambda by 3. It is given over here, so lambda gets cancelled, so therefore we get phi is equal to 2 pi by 3 over here. If we substitute the value of this in resultant intensity, so this new resultant intensity is 2I into 1 plus cos phi, and that is 2I into 1 plus cos 2 pi by 3. Now cos 2 pi by 3 is equal to minus 0.5, so 1 minus 0.5, so this comes out to be 2 into I into 0.5, and that is equal to I. And what is I? We know I is equal to k by 4. Therefore for path difference delta x is equal to lambda by 3, intensity is equal to k by 4, right? So this is the answer. This is how we can deal with such problems, right?